I'm at the 3D range today.
It's already cold as hell. Put him right there.
The great white hunter with the $50 bow.
It's a $70 bow.
Sorry.
Branson got his for
As
50.
much as his grip. I ain't touching my foot on the target.
Cheater. Freaking cheater.
You hit up towards the neck.
I see it.
I forgot you don't have to with this camera. I'll aim.
What happened there?
It went right for his neck.
Get your foot on the freaking thing.
Bite me.
Nope.
Hit him in the leg.
Go. Take the shot. Oh! Oh, he's dead! Alright guys, we just shot this target. I didn't shoot it because, you know, I'm the great white cameraman. Edgar did a terrible shot. He got a 12 ring. He missed a 14. The 14 is the spine shot. You know.
I haven't missed a target yet.
I have.
Oh, I lost an arrow. Here, let's just show him this, the 14. Got hit that from 30 yards away. Yeah, y'all bad.
And the next shot is up here.
Alright
guys.
The past 6 times.
We got a bear down there, probably 40 yards.
Not even aiming at.
Alright, shoot. Ooh!
I made that in the 14.
No, you didn't.
That is in the 14 ring right there.
It's a long shot.
That is a 14.
No, that's a 14. See that? Right there's a
14.
That ain't a 14, that's a 12. Right here's a 14.
It don't matter.
You dumbass.
You better shoot in 12 range.
14.
Alright guys, Edgar's up in that tree stand.
This is crazy 3D shit.
Alright, Ryan's getting up there next. Stop destroying my clickbait, man.
You want to touch my table?
John, you're gonna find attraction and touch some stick.
Hey, squat down so then your arrow.
I wouldn't spot down on this.
I would. I'm standing back. I don't want to get driving into the carpet.
That's this one looks like you're shooting 10 pounds.
You missed!
Where'd that go? Alright guys, I'm gonna see if I can catch anything, or hunt anything. Guys, I found this old white water down here, and I'm gonna shoot it and see what it does with the pellet gun. Just because he's still alive, I'm gonna take another shot. Well, looks like he's dead.